Konnichiwa, it's me, Starline. Welcome back to another video. In the last video, I told you about plugins, and in this video, I will tell you some essential plugins. Same as the last video. You can say that, but it's not. I will tell you way better plugins now. So let's start. The first plugin is Content Real. Content Real lets you create dummy names, birthdays, address, email, job titles, numbers, and a bank account and jobs and random images like this. This is the example of what it can do. This can be really useful when you are creating a project which includes lots of these things. For example, if you want to make a profile area, for example, you will use this plugin. This will be very useful. This will save you your time, because when you are making dummy things, you need to think about what you want to name it, what would be the birthday, or you will just write random numbers. But what about address? What about email? And what about phone number? So this will help in that. Now on to the next plugin. Now Iconify. Are you tired of making your own icons using the pen and other tools? If you are tired of that, this is the plugin for you. Just go ahead and click on any of these. I'm gonna click material symbols and 10k. I already did that though, and this is the product we got from clicking 10k. I also got one from Amazon, one from gourmet icons, and I got cycle one from gourmet as well as this bulb. This is listening, yeah. I thought this was a electric bulb. So this is Iconify, pretty cool. And you can also paste your own SVG. SVGs are images like these or something else. From Lotte files you can paste as a SVG as well, like that. And here are the options. You can edit these all you like. This is Iconify, pretty cool of a plugin, very useful, and hope you like this. Now Unsplash. Unsplash is really cool as well. And Unsplash is your photo library. From here you can get many images, for example like this. I got this and this and this and this. I'm gonna find this one right now. Here you go. This one is here. And this is this. And this is. So Unsplash is your photo library, and you can use it to do things and get many images for your project. And that's it for Unsplash. Not much of a difference from other plugins, but really cool. And all the images are free as well. Some can be premium only on the website, but mostly are normal, free. Now it's time for the good old Lotte files. Not gonna lie, this plugin is really useful. I use it a lot. It's my favorite. It's really good. So let me show you one of its features. Is insert as GIF. I'm gonna insert it in this image that I got from Unsplash. So let's see this. We've gotta wait for a minute. This takes time. I guess it's done. So let it insert, and here it is. One of the GIFs. Okay, I'm gonna somehow fit this in here. Seems like I can't. So let's make a new frame. Or not. the GIF I was talking about. This will not be like a GIF right now. It will look like a normal image, normal SVG. But once you hit play, then it will show. I will tell you about this feature in another video or the next video. That's it for the revolutionize. There is one more feature that I told you about. SVG. With SVG you can just add it as image. Simple as that. Like this. Okay. Now it's added as an image, not a GIF. It's simple as that. You can also edit the colors, background color, and custom palettes and stuff, many things. Try it yourself. It's very useful. Well, try it yourself. There's also workspace. You can create your own works, GIFs and SVGs, and also you can import from this tab. Now it's time for the plugin called Remove VG. It's really useful when you want to remove background. In the name you can see Remove VG, remove background, simple. But before running it, you will need to set API key. API key, getting it is really not that complicated, but if you are having problems, tell me in the description. Okay, I forgot you have to select the image first that you want to remove background from. Now let's run it. Wait for the process. Okay, you see the background has been removed. I know it's a little pixelated, but you can work with it. It's not that big of a problem. You see? Now you can do this. It's simple. This is very useful when you're making projects with images. Now it's time for brand search. Are you having problems with brand logos and you can't create your own? Then why don't you use brand search? It's very useful. Which brand you want? Type it in. I'm gonna try Figma. Because we are using Figma, I will type Figma. Let it load. It's been loaded. There are multiple ones. These two are the officials, I think. Now, this one is the official one. This is fan made. I don't know what is this. And I search Figma. How does it come as hypermatic? No one knows. So let's click on it. And so this plugin allows you to translate. Of course, the name of this plugin is simple as our thing. Figtrans. Quite simple. Just search it on the plugin search bar. Alright, I haven't told you about the plugin search bar yet. I know that. So from here you can search any plugins. So this plugin allows you to translate text. It's simple. You can translate any text. For example, I will translate hello into Japanese words. It's in Japanese words now. This is hello in Japanese, as you can see. And you can also do it to friend. And also, how are you? Okay. Here's Japanese words. You can use this for aesthetics and a different kind of stocks. That's it for the Figtrans. It's simple, quick, and easy. I think it's free, but if it's not free, you can just always search translate on the plugin search bar and find another one. For me it's free, yet I have used it a lot. So here is another icon plugin. If that other one was not user friendly enough for you, then this is it. This is very simple. Not like that you have to click many things in that. And in this, you just have to click any of these icons and it will appear. I see that it's too small, so let's make it bigger. Oh, wrong thing. So 0. Let's set it to 0 and let's make it bigger. Okay, now it's bigger, but you can see that its stroke is too thin. So let's make it bigger. Oh wait a minute. Okay. Okay, now we can edit this. So let's set the stroke. Now we can see it. So this is how this works. Pretty simple, user friendly, not like that other plugin. It was very complicated for the new people. This is very simple. So if you want a quick version of that plugin, here you go. Feather icons, really useful. Again, I'm gonna say that multiple times in this video for sure. So let's move on the next plugin. So here is another plugin, Similayer. A Similayer, whatever you call it, whatever you like. This is same as the properties area on this Figma inbuilt one, but this has it. This made it simpler, way simpler than it already is. You can see you can change it very simply and blend mode, layer opacity. This stuff, some of it is hidden in some places like here, and other places. So this will be easier to use. But if you're a lazy guy like me and just want to use this and don't want to run any plugin for it, then it's your choice. The name of the plugin is Similayer, whatever you call. So let's move on to the next plugin. So here we're going again for the complicated boys or the boys who don't learn anything from the freaking layers panel. Don't worry, I'm not insulting you guys, I'm destroying you guys. So in this plugin, you just rename everything. If you wanna rename this box, you can rename from here. Just type it in from where to where and other things. You can also add keywords and things. So this is it for the rename plugin. To use it, there's another way. It's not simple as the other plugins. To use it, I have saved it in recents. You will get you will know to find it using the search bar, but for me it's in recents that I have used it. To rename a thing, you just have to select it, then use rename selected and then you do what you do, rename it. So here's the last plugin. It's really useful if you want to make mockups like you see on the internet and get jealous of. Well, if you've seen multiple of those, if you have gone to the popular websites like for example Dribble. Yes, Dribble. It has many mockups, many ideas and you can use, and some of them are copyrighted, so don't be a kid and use them and then you publish it on internet and you might get copyrighted or anything else. So with this plugin you can create mockups. It's quite simple. So let me just do it. Open isometric. Okay, so opening isometric won't work, so we will just do this. Select your layer, frame, whatever you like it, then just click right, left, top, right or anything. Then it will be like this and you have your mockup. Just add a background like this Let's do this. Wait a second. Yeah. Now you've got your mockup. Wait a second. This thing got glitched out. So wait. Let's make frame 3 the color black. And just add background things. You got your mockup ready to useful. And that's it for the video. See you later.